Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning ad filtering on and off on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Ad filtering allows you to hide ads containing images or situations that may not be suitable for all audiences. From the home screen of the Kindle, swipe down from the top of the page and tap All Settings to get to Settings. Tap Your Account at the top of the settings. Then tap Ads. Here you can tap the toggle to the right to turn ad filtering on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.